Did you know that oatmeal is more than just a breakfast staple? This versatile grain can be used in countless ways to add flavor, texture, and nutrition to your meals. Welcome to Nourish Wellspring, where we're exploring the endless possibilities of oatmeal. Oatmeal is packed with fiber, protein, and essential vitamins and minerals. It's a great source of complex carbohydrates that provide sustained energy. But beyond its nutritional benefits, oatmeal is incredibly versatile and can be used in a variety of ways. Let's dive into some oatmeal hacks that will inspire you to try new and delicious recipes. Let's start with the classic oatmeal porridge. This simple yet satisfying dish can be customized with a variety of toppings and add-ins to suit your taste preferences.
Basic recipe. Combine a quarter cup rolled oats with half a cup milk or water in a saucepan. Cook over medium heat, stirring frequently until the oats are tender and the mixture thickens. Add a pinch of salt and your desired toppings. Toppings and add-ins. Fruits. Berries, blueberries, strawberries, raspberries, bananas, apples. Nuts and seeds. Almonds, walnuts, chia seeds, flax seeds. Sweeteners. Honey, maple syrup, agave nectar. Flavorings. Cinnamon, nutmeg, vanilla extract. Toppings. Chocolate chips, granola, coconut flakes.
Tips for creamy oatmeal. For a creamier texture, use a 1-to-2 ratio of oats to liquid. Cook on low heat and stir frequently to prevent sticking. Add a splash of milk or cream for extra richness. Experiment with different combinations to find your favorite oatmeal porridge recipe. Enjoy! Now let's get creative with baked goods. Oatmeal can be a wonderful addition to cookies, muffins, and bread, adding a hearty texture and nutritional boost.
Oatmeal cookies recipe. Ingredients. 1 cup rolled oats. Half a cup all-purpose flour. Half a cup brown sugar. A quarter cup unsalted butter, melted. 1 egg. 1 teaspoon vanilla extract. 1/2 teaspoon baking soda. 1/4 teaspoon salt. Half a cup chocolate chips, optional. Instructions. 1. Preheat oven to 375 degrees Fahrenheit 190 degrees Celsius. 2. In a large bowl, combine oats, flour, sugar, butter, egg, vanilla extract, baking soda, and salt. 3. Stir in chocolate chips or other mix-ins. 4. Drop by rounded tablespoons onto a baking sheet lined with parchment paper. 5. Bake for 10 to 12 minutes, or until golden brown. 6. Let cool on baking sheet for a few minutes before transferring to a wire rack to cool completely. Oatmeal muffins or bread recipe. Substitute 1/4 to half a cup of oatmeal for the same amount of flour in your favorite muffin or bread recipe. For added flavor, consider adding fruits like blueberries or bananas, nuts like walnuts or almonds, or spices like cinnamon or nutmeg. Follow the recipe instructions for baking and enjoy your oatmeal-infused baked goods. Oatmeal isn't just for sweet treats. It can also add a hearty and flavorful element to savory dishes. Let's explore 2 delicious recipes that incorporate oatmeal.
Oatmeal stuffing recipe. Ingredients. 1 cup cooked oatmeal. 1 cup breadcrumbs. Half a cup chopped onion. A quarter cup chopped celery. A quarter cup chopped green bell pepper. 1 tablespoon dried sage. 1 teaspoon dried thyme. 1/2 teaspoon salt. 1/4 teaspoon black pepper. A quarter cup melted butter. Instructions. In a large bowl, combine oatmeal, breadcrumbs, onion, celery, bell pepper, sage, thyme, salt, and pepper. Stir in melted butter until well combined. Stuff the mixture into your favorite poultry or meat. Bake according to the recipe instructions for the poultry or meat. Oatmeal meatballs recipe. Ingredients. 1 pound ground meat, beef, turkey, or chicken. Half a cup cooked oatmeal. A quarter cup breadcrumbs. A quarter cup grated Parmesan cheese. 1 egg. A quarter cup chopped onion. A quarter cup chopped parsley. 1 teaspoon garlic powder. 1/2 teaspoon salt. 1/4 teaspoon black pepper. In a large bowl, combine ground meat, oatmeal, breadcrumbs, Parmesan cheese, egg, onion, parsley, garlic powder, salt, and pepper. Mix well until combined. Form into small meatballs. Cook the meatballs in a skillet over medium heat until cooked through. Serve with your favorite pasta sauce or marinara sauce. Enjoy these delicious and hearty oatmeal-based recipes.
Did you know that oatmeal can also be used for beauty and skincare? Let's explore some creative ways to incorporate oatmeal into your beauty routine. Oatmeal scrub. Ingredients: a quarter cup rolled oats, 1 tablespoon honey or yogurt. Combine oats and honey or yogurt in a small bowl. Gently massage the mixture onto your skin, focusing on areas that need exfoliation. Rinse thoroughly with warm water. Oatmeal face mask. Ingredients: a quarter cup rolled oats, a quarter cup warm water. Instructions: mix oats and water until a thick paste forms. Apply to your face and leave for 10 to 15 minutes. Rinse with warm water. Oatmeal hair rinse. Instructions: boil a quarter cup rolled oats in 1 cup of water for 10 minutes. Let cool, then strain the oatmeal water. Use as a final rinse after shampooing to help soothe and soften hair. By incorporating oatmeal into your beauty routine, you can enjoy its benefits for healthy and radiant skin and hair.
Thickener. Add a tablespoon or 2 of oatmeal to sauces, soups, or stews to thicken them without adding extra calories or fat. Oatmeal's natural binding properties help create a creamy and satisfying texture. Plant-based milk. Make your own homemade plant-based milk using oats. Blend 1 cup rolled oats with 1 cup water until smooth. Strain the mixture through a cheesecloth or nut milk bag to remove any pulp. Sweeten with honey or maple syrup if desired. Birdseed. Oatmeal is a popular ingredient in birdseed mixes. It provides a nutritious and filling meal for birds of all kinds. Combine oatmeal with other grains, seeds, and nuts to create a delicious and nutritious birdseed blend. As you can see, oatmeal is a versatile ingredient with countless possibilities. Experiment with these unique uses and discover new ways to enjoy this nutritious grain.
In conclusion, oatmeal is a truly versatile ingredient that can be enjoyed in countless ways. From classic porridge to savory dishes and even beauty products, oatmeal offers a wide range of benefits. Not only is oatmeal delicious, but it's also packed with nutrients like fiber, protein, and vitamins. It's a great option for those following a healthy and balanced diet. So, whether you're looking for a quick and easy breakfast, a flavorful addition to your dinner, or a natural beauty treatment, oatmeal has you covered. Experiment with different recipes and discover the endless possibilities of this versatile grain. We hope you've enjoyed this exploration of oatmeal hacks. Be sure to subscribe to our channel for more healthy living tips and delicious recipe ideas. Thank you for watching.